This week at work, time became a big issue, and it's time for everyone. Increasingly, I'm seeing business owners and leaders who are stuck in the engine room of their business. And by that, I'm referring to the daily, weekly, monthly tasks of dealing with your suppliers, your customers, and extensively and mostly your team. To the extent that you're involved in those operational activities, you're working in the business itself. Many of these businesses were in a profoundly different position pre-COVID. A lot of these leaders had organized and orchestrated their businesses and operational activities to be fairly sustainable, stable, and predictable. But the environment of COVID and what it led to, the crises it created right across the sphere of business, required those leaders to get back involved into the operational activities, to rejig, reorganize, adapt, convince, persuade, work with their teams to do what was needed to survive those dreadful 2 years that we went through. Yet post-COVID, they still find themselves locked into these daily, weekly, monthly operations. And increasingly, I think it's leading to an environment where business leaders and business owners are asking the question, why am I doing what I'm doing? Is it worth it? Where am I going with it? I've forgotten my vision. I've lost inspiration. So here's the thing. The world post-COVID is fundamentally different. The business model or blueprint that you were adopting and using to scale and grow and maintain your business pre-COVID has no relevance in the market as it stands today. And the idea then of getting a blueprint that can indeed be relevant to the market we find ourselves in is an art or is a process that is often confused or lost in the words of strategy and vision and mission. I think we need to simplify the language we use to lead and guide our businesses. Think of a blueprint as a plan, an architectural plan that will allow us to apply our time and attention on only what we can control. Think of it as something that is informed and built by the market rather than the products or services you offer into the market. Don't be guided by your industry, be guided by your customers. Don't be guided by needs and wants, be guided by the problem they have that you with your offerings can solve. Don't be guided by the social platforms and digital platforms in terms of how you reach them. Rather be guided through by way of conversation with your customers and clients, understanding how they want to be educated and marketed to, how they want to be sold to, how they want their promises fulfilled, and most importantly, what they require of you in order to have you retain their business. Those conversations, those purposeful conversations, those meaningful conversations will help you yield a blueprint, the engineering plan that then in turn will help you lead and build your business differently. And in that, unlock the steps that you need to take, in the sequence you need to take them to get out of the engine room of daily, weekly, monthly operations back up onto the bridge of leading and navigating towards a well-defined destination. Food for thought for this week at work.